Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to customize or add custom entries to the Quick Access Toolbar in your Microsoft Word product. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, you want to make sure you have your quick access menu visible on your Office product. If you don't see it over here, you might have to right click on the ribbon and then select where it says show quick access toolbar. And now that we have an empty quick access toolbar here, you'd right click on it and select where it says customize quick access toolbar. And at this point, you should see a list of various commands you can choose from. And if you click inside this drop down up at the top, you can add additional items in here as well. You might see additional features that if you were searching through the list might not be as obvious, but this list you should be able to just scroll through as well. And then if there's an item in here you want to add to the quick access toolbar, you would just go ahead and select it and then select the add button. And let's just add a couple entries in here at random. And then we're going to select where it says OK to save it. And now it's pretty straightforward. It would work as it would say here. So for example, you want to do save as. Instead of tapping the F12 key, you can just click on this button right here, and then it would open up the save as window, for example. And it would work for any various button functions you would add in here. If you ever wanted to remove an entry, you could just right click on it and then select remove from quick access toolbar. And that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.